How to fix Discord not working or not opening on your Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Let's learn some of the best solutions to fix this issue. So for the first one, click on your Microsoft Store. You can either search from the search bar or you can click on the icon directly. Once you have opened the Microsoft Store, click on the library from the left side of the screen. Now you have to click on Get Updates and then click on Update All. This way, you will also update the Discord. Once you have done so, you can try to connect to Discord again. Now press on Windows plus R to open the Run tab. Hereby, click on or press %app data % and click on OK. This will open some of the folders. From here, you have to search for the Discord folder, open it and delete it. Once you have deleted the Discord, you can now reboot your device and open the Discord app again. This should probably fix the issue. However, if there is still an issue, you can again go to the installed apps on your device. Open the installed apps and search for Discord. Click on the three dots right beside the Discord app and uninstall the app once. You can again go to Microsoft Store and install it again and try to connect. This way, you'll be able to fix the issue. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.